Good evening to all Liwan basketball community. Right now we have our best player of the game, Mr. Eric of Team Blue. What can you say about your performance today in your team?
Medyo maganda ang laro. Medyo nakatulog ng ayos. Kaya medyo maganda yung pulso ngayon. Medyo tough game kasi talagang kailangan manalo. Pero yung sa Blue Green talagang mayroon na kalaban sila eh. Ayun, tsambahan naman namin. Nakuha na yung panalo. Sunod, ganun.
Okay, going to the second quarter, nakita namin na lamang yung Team Denver. What adjustment did you do regarding offense and defense? Kaya lumamang kayo pagpasok ng next half.
Wala, yun lang usual game lang na kumbaga tira lang kapag luwag. Tapos medyo alalay lang. Para medyo luwagit lang yung score namin. Yun lang yung sistema namin.
Okay, lastly, any greetings sa mga friends and family mo na nanonood ngayon?
Shoutout sa aking pamilya sa Laguna. Nanonood sila ng live. Kaso, walang data. Thank you.
Okay, that's for all guys. Next game will be Team White and Team Black. See you. Thank you.